The 12-inch apps, this is our quick mail pages component. Basically just a really easy and fast way for you to get a email button up on your page. You can set it up, customize it, then when the end user clicks onto this button, their email on their device will pop up automatically, beginning to write you an email. Let's see how this works. Down below, a couple examples of what it can look like. Email, you'll see here if I click on the email, my mail opens up and automatically begins to generate an email to the specified address. So once you get your quick mail component up on your page and you want to start to customize it, this is what the dashboard is going to look like. Okay. You'll see the quick mail here, quick mail component. Okay. Where it says email is where you'll place your own email or whatever email you want it to default to. The button text says email right now. You can customize the button text. Background color, you can change that. You can customize that as well. Okay, default to transparent. There's a hover color right now is gray. Text color white. Also, when you hover over it, you will get a message. It says click to send an email. You can customize that message. You can change the button color and also small, medium, or large if you need a bigger button or if you need a smaller button. Defaults to medium. And then the other option here is if you wanted to have a rectangular or a oval button. We have a toggle button there for you. It's very straightforward, easy to use. Set it up in seconds. Thank you very much. Have a great day.